What's up guys? Welcome back. I know I haven't posted in a long time, a whole year actually. And I always say this every time I haven't posted in a while, but I'm officially back on YouTube. I want to come back and post more consistently. But today I just want to talk to you guys about taking a new direction with my channel. And basically I want to use my platform, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, to help people of all ages feel better, move better, and just understand their own bodies better. So I'll be posting more content, videos on any tips and tricks on common injuries and pain, and just go over some general information. I think that can help everyone out. And for those people who have no idea who I am, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Jeff. I'm a physical therapist, and I've been working as a PT for 3 years now. And I'm still working at the same neuro outpatient facility that I started working at right after I graduated from school. And I really enjoy working with my neuro patients, strokes, Parkinson's, spinal cord injury, multiple sclerosis, and basically anything related to damage to our central nervous system, our brain, spinal cord. It's definitely very challenging at times, but also very rewarding. So if you guys want to follow me on this journey, and stay tuned because more videos to come.